down there. And I have some brackets that I'm getting made that'll go over the bar, saddle it 360 degrees before I weld it on. So gotta slide those on before these go on. But I got a pair of these, one for each side. And then in between those, I'll have a bar that'll get measured and welded in between them. So as the forces come up, it transfers the energy to each other. That way it don't bend the upper shock loops. Also, got these bars notched and built up. And these, this is the other side, let me grab the other one, are gonna triangulate from this bar back here to this bar up here. Right now I got some aircraft remover stripping the paint off of there, and then we're just gonna wipe that off. So yeah, we're doing some structural bracing. Bullet. Well, I got that paint stripper off, so we're gonna make sure we got a good clean contact area to weld. So we're getting rid of any mill scale. And that's going just like that. Now that those are cleaned up, I'm gonna go ahead and get the welder fired up and start tacking this together.
Those look good.
Yeah, thank you guys. Those are some of our diagonal bracing bars to keep it from shimmying. There's a couple more I'm gonna add. Those two are tacked in. Let's go ahead and put some more weld on them. Hey buddy.
Hey buddy, what you got cooking?
Oh, come check out the new bracing.
Oh yeah, it looks great.
Looks pretty cool from back here.
Yeah.
Because they're like in line with the 4-link bars.
Yeah, it's just how it's supposed to be. I like everything like looking uniform.
Oh yeah.
Helps the OCD.
Woohoo! That'll really brace this thing from shimmying left to right. I'll still add a couple more little ones, but for the most part, that's some heavy duty stuff. Shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy. All right. Well, as you can see, there's an axle shaft in here. Had to bolt them in, make sure my distances were good, and they are. And thought we'd go ahead and give it a lift. Ooh, we got full travel with an axle shaft in. So we got that axle in, but I'm waiting for parts to mount the shocks. So at the moment, right now, I'm impatiently waiting. So I'm moving on to the turbo stuff. So I'm gonna start with my middle runner here. I'm just gonna tack this